And we're back at it.
Yep, we're about to install this new aeroflowdynamics Axleback exhaust.
Yeah, box is over there, but we'll show you in a sec.
Yeah, so the stock muffler is not only heavy, but it's also very muffling. You'll see in some of our drive-bys and before and after stuff, it's like extremely quiet except for the pops. So we're gonna put on this nice, basically legal muffler delete, and it's gonna make the car way better.
Yeah, so guys, another install video. Here we go.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that was kind of quiet. Can you do some more? Cool. Can you do like 3 more? I'm ready.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here we have the aeroflowdynamic box that the Axleback comes in. It weighs probably 15 to 20 pounds. Also, do you need a knife?
Yeah.
And I've researched that each one of those mufflers, stock mufflers, is about 17 pounds, so it's gonna save some weight.
Yep.
Oh yeah. And there we go, boys. I don't know what that blue thing is, but it looks cool.
Yeah, this is for like sucking purposes.
And that is the thumbnail for today. Yeah, so here, do you mind pointing it out the box? So what we got is, we got the right hanger. You can tell because it says R right there. We have the left hanger. We got the gaskets and all the nuts and bolts that we need. And of course, we got the 2 pipings right here. We'll actually open this right now, see how they look. Oh yeah.
Well, that's very shiny and chrome.
Look at that welding, guys, right there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's top tier.
And then, so they have polished tips, burnt tips, carbon fiber, and also black tips. I went with the chrome tips.
Yeah, normally we're enthusiasts of black tips.
But I feel like it, as you can see right now, I feel like it makes the car pop a little more.
Yeah.
So, or sorry, polished tips.
Yeah. Chrome is like the future.
Oh.
Oh wow, that is very shiny.
Oh.
Is this airflow on it?
And guys, we got the double wall, so it just means there's an extra layer right here. And that is a 4-inch pipe. So if you come over here, on the stock WRX, those are 2.5-inch pipes, and we're upgrading to 4 inches. So yeah, that's just like a size comparison that you can see right here.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we're going to put those on Rhino rams.
Yeah.
And then start taking the old exhaust off.
Yeah, I'm ready. Okay, yeah, just keep going. Stop. Oh, go a little more if you can.
Should I go back down?
Just go back like 2 inches. Stop. That's good. So we're under the car right now, and
look at these gigantic mufflers.
Yeah, facts. It's not too difficult. We're just going to be unscrewing that right there.
And it's a 14 mil.
Yep.
So you just put it here. Yeah, so right there, that's a 14 millimeter right there. And he's about to pull it. Nice, question mark?
Yep.
And we'll just do it to that one. And then also that one and that one. So we'll see you right back. So now that this is a weird angle, so sorry guys for the fucking weirdness.
Yeah. This little rubber whatever, I'm about to use my fingers to pull the metal part out of it. The hanger.
Yep. And there were 4 hangers. There's one on that side, one on the other side.
Okay, this one's like kind of way harder than the other one.
Okay, so maybe we'll do the other one, and yeah, basically those are the hangers. We'll see ya. Alright guys, so we took the mufflers off, stock mufflers, and look how freaking big they are. They are 17 pounds-ish each.
Yeah.
And this is what the new one looks like. So that's a lot of weight savings. So we're about to start the car with no mufflers.
This is a warm start with no mufflers at all before we put on the Axleback. Dang, that's like still kind of quiet. Give it a rev. Okay, yeah, that's more like it. The gaskets are flying off. Okay, so after we removed the muffler and that little shit. Okay, so we've put on the new hanger in the old location, as you can see. And now we're replacing the gaskets, which go over here, and putting the pipes in. So this one is gonna go in like that-ish, and then I'm gonna tighten this, and then from there it's just the tips. So pretty simple install. You can see my boy here putting it on.
Yeah.
We didn't even have to use soap or anything to get out of the rubber grommets, just because I guess it's a new car, so it's also very nice. Okay, so we have tightened these down, and so now we just get to do that hanger after putting on these tips. So as you can see, my boy here is putting it on, and then we're gonna like pull it out to the ideal length so it's like sticking out, whatever, and then we're gonna tighten it all down. So we'll be back to you when all that's done. Okay, so we have it all installed, but this one looks like it's proper, and this one looks like it's sitting a little low, so we're trying to adjust the hanger a little bit.
Alright, so that's the exhaust work done. Got it installed and everything. It took a little work trying to get the mufflers, or not the mufflers, the tips to line up correctly, but we got them in the end. So now we'll do a little warm start.
You want to give it a little rev? We're getting our first pulls right now.
Oh yeah.
This thing sounds way better.
It sounds amazing. Sounds amazing.
All right, I'm filming. Okay.
Alright guys, what is up? We have the exhaust on now, and you guys probably saw some clips of the exhaust, some flybys and all that. And overall, exhaust makes the car sound a lot better. It's not terribly loud, but
before it was just the subie rumble, and other than that it was basically like a normal car. But now, even while idling, you can hear it rumbling, and it sounds a little better than the exhaust leak on my car.
Yeah. So comment down what you, oh my gosh, look how you parked.
That's
also, comment down below what you guys think of the clips. We'll have a Shur mic clip coming out soon, so that's going to have better audio.
Yeah.
So yeah, next clip you'll see is a rev off between this man and that man. So yeah.
All right, stick around for some of that.
Oh yeah.